Hey, I'm doing a video. These are baby kitties. Well, anyways, you're gonna vote on who you think is cuter. These little guys or baby chickens? You've got 4 of these ones. Then down here you can see them. Got one little black one. So anyways, now you're gonna see the baby chickies. They're about a week or 2 old. These were born 4 hours ago though. And they're super cute, I think. See? Yeah, super cute. They're super soft too. And yeah, they're just adorable. Now to see the chicks. Oh, hey Mama Kitty. Now I'm gonna go see the chicks. Oh wait, the mama just crawled out. So that gives us an opportunity to see all 5 chickies, or all 5 kitties. There's this guy here. Hello. His little meow is so soft. Then there's this kind of guy here. Meow. He looks like a little tiger. Kinda, like a black tiger, kinda. Well, anyways, now we're definitely off to see the chicks. Sorry about the 2 or 3 delays. Bye, Mama Kitty. Yeah, so, these chickies are outside, but yeah. Makes no basic difference. Wait, it does make a basic difference. And here they all are. All in the big chicken pile. And big pile also huddled up. I think some might be eating, some might be sleeping, some might be drinking. Well, none are drinking, but whatever. We've got their water bowl there. That's where the water is, and the food bowl right there with the food in it. One's eating. Well, now, please. No, never mind. Okay, well, anyways, bye. And signing off.